Hi, it's Joe. Today is Saturday, the 18th of November, 2023. And you really haven't seen that many interior home renovation videos in months, mainly because I spent time working outside and doing other things. I have to admit, I needed a break from the serious home renovation, but this past week, I had my trusty assistant, Amy Soa, come up and help me get 24 sheets of 4 by 8 foot ½ sheetrock up onto the second floor. And the idea is over the course of the winter, I'll put them all up, starting with the secret room. And I've at least fitted the first piece, which is that right over there on the other side of the shop vac. I got more screws to put in. Obviously, I'm not going to get this all done in one day. It's got sloping sections. Still haven't figured out what to do with the ceiling, so I'll have to do something. And I have electric outlets in here waiting to be wired up and all that stuff, but I don't have any overhead lights, which this room, I think, cries out for overhead lighting. Man, I'll have that. This is facing south. I've got 2 windows here. And one other design element that I haven't really spent enough time thinking through is the fact that this is the L that was above the kitchen. And over this wall where that black plastic trash bag is draped was actually at one point an exterior wall of the house before they built the addition on. And essentially I've got a sloping section of the original shingle roof here that I've partly removed, but haven't done that. One of the big things was I cut the space in the beam so that I no longer have to crawl in and out of here on my hands and knees. That was not going to be possible to get the sheetrock on here unless I had done that. The building did not immediately collapse, which is always a plus. After considerable advanced discussion, we didn't think it would, and it was safe to do that step, so I did it. And there we go. Ultimately, the entry will be a lot wider. We're going to have to put some cross beams up there to take the weight of that rafter that's now at least partly on the thing here. That rafter is less load bearing than other rafters around here, but that doesn't mean we can just let it hang in the air. And so that's basically what it looks like. One nice thing here is the vertical elements are all 16 inches on center, and they're pretty square, so I don't have to. Not going to have any curvy walls in this section. And of course, I'm going to wait till spring before I put any mud up here. You can't mud when it might get cold. It just takes too long for the mud to dry. And I've got 2 windows to replace here at some point as well. These are the windows that were here before I put the plastic up. That seems to have helped keep it from getting too cold up here. But anyway, so that's what this looks like. And if you can think of something I should do with this area of my house, let me know. Catch you later. Bye.